Sven, who do you think will be the toughest competition in this World Cup?
Brazil is one very strong club, good players. Germany, I'm surprised Canada was out. That was a shocker. Anyways, but I guess they are shit, so I should have expected that. England, I'm obligated to say, I really believe we have a great chance to win the World Cup. Just want to say that the clothings this year for the team are extra tight, so it's all sizes small for the guys anyways. It was my decision to go for super sexy look to increase the chances of winning the World Cup and pulling some tail. Okay, I think that is all. I go now to soak my brains in a big bowl of ice while I get my poles scrubbed by the cleaning woman. Oh, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. See you all later. Shut up.